Good afternoon, this is Dale Ellentenney with the Gus and Show team, here to talk to veterans. First of all, I appreciate all of your service. You veterans out there looking to purchase a new home may think that you're not going to be able to qualify. There's two different types of approval. There's an automated approval where we get your information, we collect it, we enter your income, your assets, and we do what's called automated underwriting. And a lot of times we'll get an automated approval, but even more often we don't get automated approvals, and that leads us into what's called a manual underwrite. And I would say I do more manual underwrites on VA than I do anything else in the VA space. And so if you're a borrower who thinks, or a veteran and borrower who thinks you're not sure whether you're going to qualify or not, here's a couple things to look at. Are you paying rent? Can you document the rent? I mean, with canceled checks, with an apartment company, management company verification of rent. In some cases, we can get it added onto your credit report. What's your installment and revolving debt look like in the last 12 months? Do you have any collections or charge-offs? And another thing they look at really hard, and in most cases in our industry, we look at the debt ratios. But in the case of a VA, in addition to the debt ratio, we look at the residual income. What's the difference between your gross qualifying income versus the debts that you're carrying, and with a couple other adjustments like square footage? And VA has a chart, and depending on your family size or the number of people living in the house, we can determine how your residual income qualifies stacked up next to that chart. In a lot of cases, if you have double or even 3 times the required residual income, not a lot of underwriters, but we do have underwriters that will expand and allow you to go to higher debt ratios than maybe you think you would qualify for. So if you're an individual out there and you're not sure whether you're going to qualify, you're a veteran, and you think you fit some of these things that I have described, don't hesitate to call me, Dale, with the Gus and Show team. My phone number is 630-479-2719. Feel free to share and like this to Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Thank you very much, and have a great and happy holiday.